So in this section we will see what is activation function and the activation function's role in the neural network. So as we know, artificial neural network are generally they work on the complex structure. So ANN are the crucial component of many structures that are helping to revolutionize the world around us. And how they are doing that? So how they are finding the solution for the real world problems? The answer is only one, that is nothing but activation function. So these artificial neural networks generally uses the activation functions to perform the complex computations in the hidden layers and then transfer the result to the output layer. So, to put in simple terms, an artificial neuron calculates the weighted sum of its inputs, adds the bias, and then, in as per figure, it is added by the net input. So, the net input is equal to summation of weight into input plus bias. So we can say the primary purpose of activation function is to introduce the nonlinear properties in the neural network. The activation function is a nonlinear transformation that we do over the input before sending it to the next layer of neurons or finalizing it as output. That means activation function is generally used in the hidden layers because they are transferring the result to the output layer. They are using it as the nonlinear transformation so that they can send the input to the next layer of neurons or finalizing it as output. So these activation functions convert the linear input signals of node into nonlinear output signals to facilitate the learning of high order polynomials which go beyond 1 degree for deep networks. The unique aspect of activation function is that they are differentiable. So this helps them function during the backpropagation of the neural networks. So what is the need of activation function? If we will not use this activation function, the output signal would be a linear function. So that's why it is very necessary. Now there are the various types of activation function. We can see in this example we have already said that how the input bias and the particular weights are assigned. So this is nothing but the diagram of activation function where we are doing the summation of inputs, outputs and the bias. So there are the various types of activation function then and they are used for various functions. So the step function, it is the function of where we are using the zero centered function, that is the range is in between -1 to 1. It is a smoother function, we can say. Then the sigmoid function. The sigmoid function is non-linear activation function which is used in feed-forward neural network. Generally, it is very widely used. It is defined for real input values, then containing the positive derivatives everywhere. So we can have the specific degree of smoothness. Then the ReLU and the Leakey ReLU. So ReLU is the rectified linear unit function which is very popular. It is the fast learning activation function which promises to deliver the state of art performance with the stellar results. It retains all the properties of linear models. That's why it is very widely used. Then the Leakey ReLU, that is nothing but the Leakey rectified linear unit function, we can say. So it is used when we want to speed up the training of the neural network, and the biggest advantage of this is that we can eliminate the vanishing gradient problem by using the identity for the positive values by improving the characteristics of the model. So these are the various types of activation functions which we have seen, and these activation functions are basically used at the hidden layers so we can do the complex computations and then we can forward the output to the output layer. So this is all about activation function and types of activation function. In our next section, we will see the feed forward neural network and the deep feed forward network. Thank you.